We guide you through how to turn off iPhone camera sound quickly. So the first thing you need to do is to check if your iPhone has the ring or silent switch on the left side. Then simply flip it down to enable silent mode and your camera shutter sound will be muted instantly. If your phone doesn't have a switch or you prefer another way, swipe down and from the top right corner of your screen to open Control Center and tap the bell icon to activate silent mode. Then, open your camera app and take a photo to confirm there is no sound. Another option is lowering your volume all the way down using the volume buttons before opening the camera, but make sure live photos is turned on in the camera app because in some cases it helps suppress the shutter sound. Keep in mind that in certain countries like Japan or Korea, camera sound cannot be turned off due to privacy laws. So this way not work if your device is region locked.